area. Oh, that looks good right there. That does look cool. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of that. Don't be judging me. My car dirty, I know it. But that's all right. It's about to be upgraded from Tlyard. I have this Model 3, Model Y mini dash display. Let's see what's inside. Now it comes with a little handy instruction manual. But then it says follow video tutorial. Connectors. Another removal tool. Can't get enough of those. And here's the unit, the mini unit. If you've been following me for a while, you know I'm not a big fan of those big displays that people get right here. We got this display right here, the huge one, and then some aftermarket ones that go right above it. I'm not a fan of that look, right? It doesn't look clean. It doesn't look OEM. It looks like an add-on piece. I know there's added functionality like Apple CarPlay, stuff like that, but I don't care too much about that. But the reason why I like this mini display that's gonna give you the speedometer, drive mode. What I do like about this, and the reason I got it is because my wife wanted it. She was like, I hate looking over at the screen to see the speed. I said, it's not that far. But she was like, no, that would be really, really cool. I said, okay. Okay. So it would go right here, and what people are saying is, oh, you see mine looks like it's already dipping. It's already dipping. What people seem to like is that it doesn't block much airflow or any at all, but I'll let you know that once we get it in there. But it's gonna sit right in here, and mine's already dipping, so it's gonna be a tight fit, maybe, maybe not. So we're gonna check that out. I just wanna see if it's gonna fit. Now I'm gonna push it in deeper, but that's kind of clean. It's kind of clean. All right, so step one was what I thought it was. Just put it in there and see if it fits. But step two says to remove this panel. And I have removed it to install this, this forged carbon dash, but I'm gonna try to just see because it is flat. You guys see this cable is flat. I'm gonna see if I could just tuck it. See if I, oh yeah, you guys see that? Look at that. So far, so good. Watch this, watch this. Oh, I was able to tuck it just like that. Oh, it's kind of tight. All right, let me watch the video. All right, the video, I can't weave it around there, but I'm just gonna go ahead and remove it. It's pretty easy to remove. Yeah, it just comes out. So here we go. Taking this around. Make sure y'all can see. Taking this around, just like that. Fish it through, fish it through. Don't want to break anything. Gonna use my tool to push it in. Get in there. There it is. All right, it's in there. Now it says to fish it down here, and I think it's coming through the bottom, just like that. All right, so the next step is to take this around and behind here. It's gonna go behind this panel. It's gonna go down here underneath all the way to the back. Here we go. The next step, I'm gonna mess with some electrical components. So it tells me to turn off the system. So you go to, what is it? Is it safety? Okay. And before I did that, I did move the seat up. What's this? Oh man, there go one of my magnets. All right, I would have been looking forever for that. All right, so here it is. I gotta remove this bottom panel. This bottom panel right here. So you just stick this in here. Ooh, easy peasy. These pieces are pretty durable. I haven't broken any clips on anything I've ever worked on. Knock on wood. I lost a clip, but I never broke a clip. So there we go. Just remove that. Go all the way around. Getting every part. I don't even know what I'm showing you. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Oh, there you go. Come on now. There it is. Easy. Easy. All right, that was pretty easy to move, and I'm gonna look at the last step to be safe. But if I had to guess, I would guess that I'm gonna remove this, connect it to this, connect this to this, connect that back into that, and take this tail and put it in, but I'm gonna double check. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm just hoping. So it's a little handle. Oh, easy to remove. So it's a tail here. I'm gonna connect it there, and then connect it back. So this will go here. Easy. This will go back in. And then, like I said, I'm just gonna connect this part. I have the cable come out here. And before I button anything up, I'm gonna connect it, make sure it works. Okay, that's on. And I wanna see if it works. Stepped on the gas pedal, there it is. It's working. Hold on. I said gas pedal. Dang, that's a noob mistake. All right, it works. I'm gonna tighten it all up, do everything, hide the wires the best I can, and then we're gonna test it out. All right, so I had this back on. You can see a little bit of the wire coming out right here, and it's tucked around this underneath here. And I'm gonna try to tuck this in the most I can. We're definitely gonna have to tuck that in a little better, because I can't be having these wires like that. Okay, so that's my state of charge, but you guys see, I can still see that wire a little bit on this side too. So when I'm back here, I see it and it's bugging me. So the only thing I think I can do is if I slack out all from under here, so I have a little more slack here, so I could take this part and push it back. Sorry, I gotta do it. Pretty deep in there, a lot harder to see. Whew. I guess it depends on when the light hit it or if the light hits it. State of charge, which is at 52%. So let's go ahead and test it out. And it's in park. Now it's in reverse. And now it's showing my speed. I'm gonna hit a little sunlight, see what happens. And let's see if the speed matches. Oh, I do got some glare on the camera, but I can still see it pretty cleanly. And is it a perfect? Yeah, it looks like there's no lag. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Telling me it's in drive. Looking for glare. Now it is covered a little bit, but with the yoke too, looking pretty good. So my eyes are really right here. Here where my eyes are. And it's a perfect match. You know what? When I first got the car, my eyes naturally wanted to go down to the speed, to the traditional location of the instrument cluster. And now it kind of does go right there immediately. Now it's like it's second nature, like it's supposed to be right there. Like you're supposed to look there and see where it is. Now I'm driving around in circles to see how the different area. Oh, that looks good right there. That does look cool. Okay. Oh, my signal, my turn signal. You see my turn signal, dog? I like it. The turn signal works. That's pretty cool. Sometimes I do need to find a turn signal. Okay, they got me. They got me now. The turn signal is a big deal to me. We're going to check this out at night and let you know. Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, Cobra told ya. All right, y'all.